Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the section password and security. Then let's go to the system security, let's tap on it, and here scroll down to localize credential storage, let's tap on it. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on it and tap on OK. Of course, we will have to enter the screen lock to confirm everything. And as you can see, not only we've got this option, this information actually, but this option is also inactive, which means that we just successfully removed the certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.